Is it possible to load a software update for the new design on my reticle? But of course, it's quite easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit our homepage at my-reticle.com. Go there under the tab Reticle Support on Device Software Update. Here you will find a download button next to the latest software. Press the download button and download the software to your computer. This can take a few moments. After the download has finished, unzip the compressed file to a USB stick. This may take several minutes to complete. If you did not enjoy a hot drink today, it might be time for a cup of tea or coffee. Step 2. Now start your reticle device. From the home screen, go to the Settings menu. Scroll down to the Auto Settings menu. Open the car settings. Again, you have to scroll down to System Update and tap on it. A questionnaire popped up asking you if you really liked the system to update. You like to. Press Delete Data and Format Flash. The update process will now be executed and individual already transferred files will be listed neatly. When copying is completed, please remove the USB stick first. If you would like the update to be installed successfully on your reticle device, it is best to check the version number. You can do this by going back to Settings, scrolling down and checking the current version at the very bottom, the last button About Device. The currently installed software version can be found under System Version. If you want, you can compare the noted number with the one on our homepage, my-reticle.com. We hope you enjoy using your reticle device.